Alright, just got me a PS3 and got these two games, Battlefield 3 and Modern Warfare 3. I'm about to do an unboxing. So I'm sorry for the bad quality. I'm doing this with my camera, can't find my HD camera, but yeah, better than that. Alright, here's show you the box, the stuff that comes with it. I couldn't find the Harry Potter bundle because they didn't have it. So I had to get this, but it's alright. So, some stuff on back, but yeah, no, you don't want to see that. So let me unbox it. Alright, hold up. Well, I just opened it, so now here it goes. The unboxing. See the PS3 controller. Looks good. Gotta get used to the triggers because just got done with my Xbox because it broke. Got the manual user guide thingy. So yeah. You got your component cables. I traded my HDMI cable because the 3D TV isn't here and it comes with one, so why keep it? So I just get some extra made GameStop. So yeah. Here's the power cord. It's all good, but yeah. And the USB for charging controllers. So, with no further delay, it's time for me to open my brand new PS3. Hold up real quick. First time you seen this, first time I saw it. Brand new PS3. I thought it had Chrome right there, but that might have been the 120. But there goes the PS3 logo. Touch sensitive. The buttons. Got the 160. So yeah, I thought it had matte over here, but it didn't. Got the power cables and everything, so that's that. I guess I'll unbox Battlefield 3. Got from GameStop. GameStop ripped me off. Traded 10 games and my accessory. Only got $122. Couldn't trade the Xbox. It's right there, Halo 3 edition. It was just sucks. So I got a PS3. So unbox this Modern Warfare 3 instruction guide. Open this up, and there's the code, but I'm not gonna show y'all that. I'm not gonna steal it if I even get online. So there it is, and then there's Battlefield 3. I get the maps, I guess. So got me a PS3. Oh, here's the. Let me open this. I got it. See my TV right there. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, it's over there. Power cord. And USB. Yeah. No. Hold on real quick. And here's the controller. Feels good. 6-axis. Been waiting for my PS3. Alright, that would be it. My PSN will probably be Portal Panther 50 if you want to add me. Hope no one stole it, but if not, I'm playing these two games and have a good day. Here's my freaking old Halo 3 edition. If anybody knows how to fix it, just give me a call and I'll sell it to you. Alright. Peace.